Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So yesterday we discussed. So how Nick Vujicic play the golf game. He tucked means kept with a how he was play the golf game. Here also
మళ్ళీ లింక్ పంపిస్తారు సార్ నీకు
under his tucked under his
Madam,
chin,
voice cut aitu.
and after he was playing a game with golf. So club, what is the club means? Golf game stick, not is a club meaning stick.
నువ్వే
Golf game
మొత్తం
stick.
అన్నయ్య ర్యాంక్ కూడా తగ్గింది అది
He was tucked under his chin club after he was play the golf game. And
నేను బంద్ చేసుకున్నాను.
మేడం రీసౌండ్ వస్తుంది
Madam, we cannot understand the voice.
now we are going to do page number 4.
పేజ్ నెంబర్
Madam, we cannot understand the voice.
సౌండ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి
Madam, we cannot understand the voice.
Are you hearing my voice?
yes ma'am
Madam, stop.
Now hearing?
Madam, second.
Do you have the textbooks, all of you?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am. Sound వస్తుంది madam. Madam,
Who don't
this
have
sound
the
is
textbooks, say
Yes, madam.
yes. Children, next paragraph we are going to do. And is a huge fan of the English Premier League. So I write on the blackboard, what is the meaning of English Premier League? It is nothing but a football. So like, so how we are enjoying to IPL game like this. English Premier means that where he was born, Nick Vujicic, Melbourne in Australia. So that Australia, they call to football game English Premier League. So like this, how we are call it to IPL, it is nothing but a cricket game. Like that way, they call it to English Premier League is a football game. Okay, now? So it is our Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic, he was a huge fan of English Premier League, means football. Children, are you understand?
yes ma'am
Next, then go to next passage. His parents decided not to send him to a special school. A decision he said was very hard for him. Why? His parents were not sent to in special school. Why they are mentioned to here special school? Why Nick Vujicic is a mentally, physically handicapped. Here he was a Tarso. Tarso means already he was funny, creative with a one joke, and he called herself chicken drumstick. Without legs, without arms, he born. So that's why his parents, Nick parents, decided to not to send him to special school. Means physically handicapped children, they were go to the special schools are there. So our government provide a special children then goes to special schools, and normally children how we are came to our schools, they all are very normal people, normal children, they are studied here only. Special school, why they are provide to special school? Why they are physically, mentally handicapped children, they were goes to special schools. But our Nick Vujicic's parents were not send him to special schools. They were decided to send him to normal, means normal children, normal people, how their children goes to with legs, with arms, the type of children they are go to normal school. So here a decision he said was very hard for him. Nick Vujicic, this decision was taken very hard for him. So So again, he he was think very positively. So he do the hard work, but which may have been best decision. They could have made for him a bright future. So how he was feel like that? So my parents decided to this type of decision. So I have a very bright future. Why they were take this type of decision? They made to him very bright future. That's why they were taking this type of decision. So I agree with them. So Nick Vujicic also agreed that decision, and he was go to the normal school. Which school? So next passage goes to when Nick was born, his father was so shocked. Why? So Nick was born that day. Look after the father. He was very shocked. He left the hospital from hospital room to, and after he was go to hospital, and outside of the he vomiting continuously, he vomiting to outside. Why? After look after the Nick Vujicic, and he was continuously vomit to hospital outside. So why? So then next line, he distracted the mother, could not bring herself to him until he was 4 months old. So Nick Vujicic 4 months old, after to birth to 4 months old, he did not left to herself the mother. Why? He's very small size of baby he born. Who Nick Vujicic born to very small size of body. So that's why he felt very sad. So mother was very sad that time. And after he was birthed to disability, without arms, without legs, he birthed. So his disability is very disappointed to his father and mother. So his disabilities came without any medical explanation. So his father and mother asked with to doctor. Doctor also will not give the clarity explanation to how he was born. Is there in any medical issues, any issues are is happen in the home? So they will ask like this. Again, doctor was there is not they were not given to properly medical explanation to birth of Nick Vujicic. A rare occurrence called. So doctor were called to this type of people, this type of children will birth. So we are called to, they are suffering to Phocomelia disease. Only Phocomelia disease children, they were birth like this without arms and without legs. So this is the type of explanation given to doctors. So they don't have any medical explanation to. And
Teacher, I cannot see the board.
His parents spent many years asking why this cruel trick of children given to God. So daily, regularly, his father and mother suffering to like this way. And my mother was, his Nick Vujicic's mother was work with a nurse. So Nick Vujicic's mother was one of the nurse, and next he was my mother was nurse, and she did everything right during pregnancy. So who suffer like this? Nick Vujicic's mother also suffering like this. I am also one of the nurse. I have taken full diet of the all those fruits or whatever they given to doctor suggestion. I follow it. So where I given to any fault in my way during the pregnancy period, so she still blamed to herself. So now also she still blamed herself, and she suffering like that way. And it was so hard for them right from the start that means at the beginning to end. So she had very suffering. Why? Daily, regularly, he look after to Nick Vujicic. means her mother and his mother and his father daily regularly suffering to like this. So his mother blamed herself, and it was very hardly talk to with to Nick Vijay, and regularly give the she is given to motivation to Nick Vijay, but instead in her mind she felt very unhappy and she blamed herself and she suffered, and she so many times she told to husband, God, why they given this type of child to me? So like this, she suffering very much. My dad put me in the water at 8 months, yet 18 months. So Nick Vijay's father was at 8 months. Nick Vijay at 8 months, Nick Vijay that time, his father put on the swim, put on the where nani water, one tub of water. So one tub of total filled with a water, and 18 months children. So Nick Vijay's father was put on the tub, water tub. So he don't know the swim. How it is possible to outside? He was came to outside. It is not possible. So like that way. So Nick Vijay have the very positive thinking and spiritualization after he was very clearly means yes, why my father doing like this? I don't suffer to like that way. I don't have the legs, I don't have the arms, that's why my father doing like this. I prove myself. So that type of way of thinking, he improve herself himself, and after he pulled out, he come outside the tub of the water. So he learned the easy way of swimming. Okay, children. So you also is, if you facing any problems, any doubts, you don't suffer yourself, Nani. First, you think positive way and you maintain the spirit, good spirit. So we can easily come outside that problem. So here also Nick Vijay's father also don't Nick Vijay's father was only put on the Nick Vijay's only 18 months child. That child only 18 months. He put on the, he already put on the one filled with a tub of water and put on the that water tub. So he was very easily come outside that tub, and easily he was learn about the swim. So you also here what we can observe, Nani, here we can observe with a good spirit and positive thinking. Okay, na? So and he was learning a new thing that I don't know that how can I swim that tub. I don't know that the అసలు యాక్చువల్లీ చెప్పాలి అంటే 18 months children కి he don't know the swimming. Okay, na? He doesn't thought like that. I swim this tub water, I swim this, so how can I come outside? First I do it like this. He don't know that age of group children, but he learned the swimming at 18 months, only 18 months. So it is very easily, he can easily learn the swimming. So next, Amma, my dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. So he gave the courage, means courage. That time you are that time you also is there. What you can feel, we feel very worry about like that time. Why my father doing like that me? My father given to punishment to me. We feel like that, but Nick Vijay not feel like that. He father was given to courage. Yeah, children, come outside, come outside. He given to claps and courage to him. So easily he was come outside and he learned the new thing. What is that one? Swimming. Okay, now? So here, who was training given to them? Who was trained here? So his father was trained. His father was given to courage, and Also, he was given to positive thinking way. So after he was very easily come outside of the tub of water. So he was easily learn about the swimming. Next then, I also got really football and skateboarding. And next another line, Nani. So he was like it, yes, skateboarding and which came skateboard and football. So it was observed with way football and skateboarding. He was shocked. So after he was easily, he can learn it. And I totally love the English Premier League. So more than a football game, he was very like it. So after he was like it like that. And next line goes to Nick's father was a computer programmer. So his father, Nick Vujicic's father was a computer programmer and accountant. He taught his little son how to type with his toy at just 6 years old. So why he was a very means he was doing any other work very hardly taken that object and he can doing very easily. But that all those things Nick Vujicic's father observe and yes, I prepare any one object to my son. So he decided to like that. Yes. So why Nick father was very he was also computer programmer. That's why he know the technology easily. How can we utilize the technology? So and he how to type with a toy. So he don't know he already we know that he don't have the legs. So easily how can Nick Vijay type the keyboard? Okay, not computer. So how he thought who Nick father was thought, yes, I prepare the one instrument means one object easily my son type that keyboard. So at just 6 years old child, so he prepare a one. What is that one? One keyboard and Nick Vujicic easily type that keyboard. And his mom invented a special plastic device. Another why plastic device? He could hold a pen or pencil. He could not hold the pen or pencil. It is possible, Nani. Only torso. We can put like this. We write like this. So it is not possible. But his mother was invented one long pencil or pen, and easily he can put like this, kept like this, and easily he can write it. Here one observe the picture how he was writing. So like this, that is the pen or pencil instrument. Easily he can write it.
Mouth.
So, this is a specially invent the Nick Vujicic mother. So this is the picture. Next line goes to despite the risk of. Yes, before class, what is the meaning of despite, in spite, even though, although? This is the grammar word. So despite means ainappatiki, despite the risk of being bullied. So how many means critical situation he can face, but he don't worry about like that type of situation will be created. He don't live the positive thinking way. He do hard work despite the risk of. Is there any risk will facing? So he doesn't take a matter like that. So after his parents insisted he can't attending mainstream school. So finally, so that school joining the Nick Vujicic mainstream school. But normal children only then go to that school. So that school mainstream. The school name was mainstream school. So Nick Vujicic's parents decided to send him to normal school. They did not send him to special children schools. So finally, our Nick Vujicic goes to mainstream schools, and that place in that school, he takes so many different troubles. He faced so many problems, but he doesn't matter taken in his mind. He feel very happily enjoy together, play together, and always mingle with the children very humorously. So he feel very enjoyful that school period of time. So mainstream school, it was the best decision they could have made for me. So our Nick Vijay, what he feel in his mind, yes, this is the best decision to me. My parents will take in this type of decision, this is the best decision to me. And finally my what they wanted to me, they wanted to, I made him a very bright future. That's why they taken a this type of decision. He feels like that and he follows that decision, he follow the decision. And next Nani, Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and a real estate. He learned the way he
వాయిస్ స్టక్ అవుతుంది మేడం.
wait Nani. Yes.
Yes,
Now hear my voice, Nani. All of you. All of you hear my voice clearly.
మేము ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Now okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
It was
ma'am.
very hard, but it gave me a independence. What he was saying, Nani, Nick Vijay, my parents give a very hard decision to me, my bright future, but they given to freedom to me. Okay, na? Your parents are given to very freedom. Okay, na? Your parents also given to freedom, na, children? So how you are utilize it? We are utilize it to that freedom is very bright future to you. So only bright future way only we can goes to that way, don't get to other way. So we can misuse that freedom, so don't misuse it. Here Nick Vijay is given to message to you also, children. We are learn message to our Nick Vijay life history. So if we like take the my future, they given to freedom also. So he feel like that. Nick, who was teased and bullied? Who was teased to me? It is not doesn't do the matter. So I have a bright future. Why God given to like this? I do the some work is there in here. So I have means I have make a something. I have do some magic. So that's why God create to like this to create to me and create to give a this type of body to me. So Nick Vijay feel like that way. And after Nani, electric had an electric wheelchair for mobility. Mobility means without, not in one disability. One or more than disability who have the more than two or more than one or more than disabilities, we call the mobility. So mobility peoples who are Nani here, Nick Vijay 6. Not in one disability is there na, one or more. Without arms, without legs, Nick Vijay 6 there. That's why we call mobility. So he have the one electric wheelchair, and he said, I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. So one day my mother suffered to like this and said to me like this way, why daily regularly he observe with me, I do the hard work too, I do the hard to brushing, I do the hard to bathing, I do the any other thing. My mother observe with me and she feel very sadly. How she was feel? Yes, sometime I killed myself. So her mother, his mother was feel like that way. His mother sometime I killed myself. Why God given to like this stuff, like this type of children to me? So she feel like that way. Next line, Nani, I felt cold and bitter. So cold and bitter is the idiom. Idioms. So this is the grammar part. Idioms. So cold and bitter. Cold and bitter idioms. So this is the grammar. Ma, Underline that words, Nani. Which word I tells thee? This is the word part. This word is grammar part. You put on the underline that words. All of you listen my voice clearly, Nani.
వినిపిస్తుంది
Put on that word underline. Pencil. Do you have the pencil? So you put underline that words. Cold and bitter. What is that cold and bitter? We have the very hardest incident. We don't clear that problem. So here, Nani, I felt cold and bitter. So my mother suffering that moment, I felt very cold and bitter mean here worrying very sadly. Okay, na? So Nick Vijay was also he was also very sadly. He felt very sadly. Means he felt very worrying. That's why it's called cold and bitter meaning. Okay, na? Yes. I hated God for doing like this. So I don't like the God. I hated to God. Why? God created to me. God given to like this birth to me. Why God given to like this, doing like this to me? So I hated to God and was terrified of what would happen to when my parents were not they look after me. What they are doing? They are doing any my parents what they are doing, they are always present to God. So why they are God given to this type of gift to my parent? So I don't know that way why they are God given to this type of gift to my parent. Always every day they are suffering to me. They look after to, they're not in front of my parents suffering. So beside of they feeling very worriedly. So I one day I could brush my own teeth. How it was brush on our teeth. So he arranged one brush onto wall. He was arranged one brush onto wall. Arrange one wall, one brush, and directly one wall means like this, Nani. This is the wall. Here he arranged it one brush. So he did directly. He was going to like this and teeth, brush on the teeth. Okay, now he doesn't take that brush and like this. Doesn't take
Everyone.
in the hand and he's don't do like this.
అక్క చాడి తొందర కొద్దాట
Brush
అయ్యో
on
చూడు
the teeth.
చూద్దా
So like this way, he was one day he was brush on the teeth and with a wall mounted brush. Already I tell how it was arranged the brush. Wall mounted brush. So with a mounted with a wall. With a
వాళ్ళకంటే వాళ్ళకి చేసుకోవచ్చు అట్లా
in a brush arranged in the wall. After he was easily brush on the teeth. Why? He don't have
రాహుల్ గురు వీళ్ళిద్దరు ఉన్నారండి అందరూ ఏంటి ఇక
yes. Next, and he and wash my means bathing.
Yeah,
Then go to
మేడం
bathing.
కాదు
Wash my hair with pump
English.
action soap. So directly how it is what
మీ డిజైన్ వచ్చినాయి మంచిగా ఇలా అయిపోతుంది
outside the water, he stand on that pump. Okay, na? So, but there was so much that was impossible for me. So I was feel very hardly like that way. Like this. I feel very hard that moment. But risk is very important in our life. Don't have the risk. You don't achieve your goal, Nani. So every goals have the one risk. So my goal, something is there here. That's why God created to me. That's why God sent to me. That's why I created something history. I destroyed the history. I created some magical history. What is that one? That's by their God created to me. My Tarso people, chicken drumstick people, chicken drumstick children's also birth. So I given to motivation to
Oh, Anna.
this type of children. That's why God given to me birth. So very good spirit.
Gelata.
And next, at age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, and luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. One day he was thought, I draw any picture on the blackboard or wall. He bath at the time, so he feel like, is there any arms, hands, children? No, he don't have the arm. How it is possible? It is possible to draw the pictures. First, one time he is attempt the draw the picture, he failed.